Yeah, man, me link you. So, you come up and beg me money. I don't know which way you expect me to get money from. Sure. We can't even find something. Shit.
Come.
What do you mean? What you doing, me?
Don't move. Look, sir. Because they are dead today. You know no money for you?
Money?
Give me money now.
You can't kill me if you go. Listen to me. Make sure it's a Wi-Fi there hell I have you know. Because if you go kill me, I may go hell. If I hell the Wi-Fi there, me I go.
Oh, what you talk about?
Listen to me. What you want, sir?
Give me some money, type purse.
Listen, I'm gonna kill this a go on. Oh no! Listen, I said, come out of my blood, hey, come out of my car. I don't know if I said this, how you reaching at my car? You come to wrap, hold me up with the remote? With kitchen knife, with kitchen gloves?
I'm weak. You're hungry.
No! Listen, you kill listener?
Look at Angela, man. I'm hungry. Alright, that's how I'm living now. Yeah, man, I wrote something to live, man. Look at Angela, man. I'm hungry, man.
So how you coming in the car? How you coming in the car?
Yeah, if you do open me, someone just come in. Look at Angela, man. Do. If you have 200, me take it.
Lord God, this man coming in my car can hold me up with the remote. Papa Jesus, if you're not busy, come by.
But me say if they move to Adi, I dead now. Give me 200 and I'm going, man. Do. I'm going, man. Me not stay long, no miss. I'm out to care for you.
Look, when you get them gloves there from?
I do my roadside, so I find them.
Can't you know what kind of cross is this I go to Jamaica? The man that hold me up with...
Take my man for joke. Take man for joke. Give me my remote, man. And I burn my birds. The two bills up on it, man, and much care for you.
How can I kill is this? But you know what?
100 minutes about.
I'm gonna give you half fight. You want me to tear it and you keep half and me keep half? 50. So you get 50 and me get 50.
Stop them foolishness, man.
No,
the money can't go work if you
no,
tear.
you can't tear. You get half and me get half.
Alright, give me half of that.
What the hell? Idiot. Come out of my car. Come out of my car.
Alright.
Come on. Come out of my car, man. Damn idiot. I have no sense. I don't know why you're coming to my car. Come go and see and I have no sense.